Today we're going to talk about these little pedal extenders. Whatever. Hey, welcome back, guys. Apologies for the strange noises outside. It feels like I'm in a tornado right now, but that's the Midwest weather for you. So this is a quick little video about these little peg additions that I got for the BMW G310GS, and I'm gonna install them quickly and see how they look, how they work. Basically, it kind of widens your standard peg. Let's give it a shot. First thing you're gonna have to do is get the piece of rubber that's on the peg off, and you can see that, well, maybe you can't see, but it's kind of jammed in there with two little pegs, so you just kind of have to pull it out like that. There you go. You can see that's on these little clipped right in there. So essentially this just sits like that inside. This wind is sure is crazy out here in the Midwest. So I've read some reviews of this particular kit, and from what I understand, potentially these bolts are not long enough. Not long enough, and I may have to go get new ones. They're not exactly the same ones, but they seem to fit into these threads. So let's see how these work. Wow, still not long enough. Okay, that's what you get for buying cheap universal junk. All right, well, let's try if any of these work now. Well, that just sort of barely fits, but not much threading is going on here. And so I'm concerned that they'll just fall right off. These weird black ones that I have are longer, but I'm not sure they'll fit this thread. Huh, they do. And the good news is I have 4 of them, because you need 2 per pedal. Okay, so that worked. Let's get those tightened. It's as tight as it's gonna get. And ta-da! Little pedal extender, or peg extender. Makes it much wider than your standard. Yeah, it doesn't have, you know, rubber padding, so wear good boots and you kind of lose the whole point of having these, which is to have a smoother ride, because this engine vibrates quite a bit at higher speeds. But you know, it may be more comfortable, and I won't really know until I actually go for a ride. Well, there you have it, folks. Fairly simple, took a couple of minutes. Just remember, if you're gonna buy one of these off of eBay, they're not that expensive, 20-30 bucks. It's just aluminum. Just be aware that these little bolts are not enough. You're gonna have to get them extended by quite a bit. Hopefully you have some in your garage already. If not, just run out to the hardware store, grab one of these with you, and make sure you buy the same one, just a little bit longer. And you're gonna need 4 of them, 2 per peg. Okay, take care.